Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Dirty Pat Walsh channel on YouTube with me, your host, Dirty Pat Walsh. How's it going? Exciting times today. Because remember how yesterday I told you in the video that I had bought a couple instruments off of eBay with the generous PayPal donations that have been sent to me. And the first thing that I found of interest was a 12-hole Hohner Super Chromonica in the key of C, and it looked pretty beaten. It was only $25, and but it comes in the original box. And I wasn't supposed to get this for a while, but I guess this company is really close to me. It's in Cambridge, Ontario, so that's pretty close. But yeah, got the box today, so I'm gonna figure out where to open it. Got my little handy dandy box cutter here. I didn't tell you, one of my videos got age restricted. I got a notification on YouTube that one of my weed reviews got age restricted, which is funny because I age restrict all my videos anyway. You know, just cause. This is well wrapped. I like that. I like that, people. Alright, so it comes in a Panasonic super heavy duty battery box, as you can see. It's getting exciting. We're getting down. Obviously I haven't seen this yet, except on eBay. So we're going to see what we got. Can we play it? Oh, these boxes they're great, but they're childproof. Whoa! Packing peanuts. Gotta save them. Lots of packing peanuts, people. This is getting exciting. Okay, here's the item itself, wrapped in bubble wrap. Just gonna see if there's a note or anything, or just a bunch of packing peanuts. That's good. That'll come in handy for something down the road. So, alright people, we're down to the bubble wrap. Down to the bubble wrap. Gotta save that too. I think I need to put a new blade in my box cutter. Well, this is interesting. Wow. Wow. Okay, so this is it so far. You really wrapped this up something good. Wow. The latch is intact. Look at that. Hohner Super Chromonica in the original box. What does it say on the back? Learn to play your harmonica and learn to play it well. A fascinating accomplishment easily acquired. Purchase of this instrument enables you, it's all kind of rubbed out from there. Hohner Incorporated, New York City. All right, look at that latch. Isn't that beautiful? That's cool. And here we go. Wow, this doesn't look as bad at all as I thought it would. Oh, look at that. Look at inside that box. Isn't that the coolest? That's the coolest. Let's see how it plays. Huh. I'm not a very good chromatic player. But man, this is like, you know, when I saw the picture of this on eBay, I thought that looks like a beaten harmonica. But it's like solid. It's like definitely old and used. But 25 bucks, people. One of these new is couple $100, I figure, a few $100. I am fucking so impressed with this, people. I can't believe it. I'm so impressed. So thank you for helping me acquire this instrument. This is a real treasure. You know, it's beaten, but it's got character. You know, you can see the where the lips were playing. And it comes in this exquisite fucking box that also very worn and loved, but look at that. That's amazing. So this must have been quite early on in the production of these. I don't know when. It didn't have a date. Hey! What you doing, Mocha? Cat's getting into shit. Oh, she's got a straw. She likes kicking straws around. Wow, this is phenomenal. This is absolutely phenomenal. 25 bucks for a perfectly well working Hohner Chromonica. Fuck. I don't play very well at all, but I really do love playing on a chromatic, messing around on it. And one day I'm gonna learn how to play well. I can play a little bit of blues in third position without the slide, like it's weird not having. I'm used to playing a 64 with the extended lower octave, but this feels really, really good. I have another Super Chromonica a more modern one in the key of F. And this I've always thought, you know, it just feels good in your hands, and this is exactly the same. Feels great. Chromatics are great for, you know, I do a lot of, well, I did before the plague hit. I do a lot of composing for dance pieces. Right, you know, I do it enough to say I do it, you know. And chromatics are really great for that when you're not really given a direction, you know. They're great to whip out for that kind of work. I dig it. I dig it. So my dear people of YouTube, let me just grab this other one I have, see what's different about it. Uh-oh. Okay, let's see here. Exactly the same top cover plate. And exactly the same back plate too. Yeah. Yeah. Do. Together at last. So, yeah, thank you, folks. Thank you for helping me acquire this instrument. You shall be seeing more of it in the coming days on the Dirty Pat Walsh channel on YouTube with me, your host, Dirty Pat Walsh. I hope you all are good and well. Thank you so much for all your nice comments yesterday. I got one comment from someone named Rabid Wolf, who said that they could listen to me talk all day. So you're an exception to most people in my life. Anyway, thanks for all the nice comments on my video yesterday. I'm still a little razzle dazzled from the whole shadow thing, but yeah. Anyhow, cheers everybody. Have a great day, and I will see you soon here on the mean streets of YouTube.